Let's learn how to see recently watched videos on YouTube by me. So let's get started. Make sure you are logged in. Then click on this icon. Here you can see your data in YouTube. Click it here. Scroll down. Here you can see YouTube watch history. Click it here. Manage YouTube watch history. Here you can see a list of videos that you recently watched by date and time. So I have explained you how you can see recently watched videos or latest videos in laptop, PC or computer. Let's move to the mobile where I can show you recently watched videos on YouTube. Open YouTube app in your mobile. On the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click it here. After that, you can see history. If you click on view all, you can see all the previously watched videos. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.